my gosh, guys, you will not believe this. My image style has literally exploded on Instagram. Like, everyone is stealing my style. It's wild. But hey, no big deal, because I'm here to share the secret with you. Yeah, you heard that right. Everyone's been blowing up my phone asking how I do it, so I'm about to drop some serious knowledge. All right, buckle up. I'm your girl, Felicity Wolf, and I'm hijacking my brother's channel to help him grow. You're welcome, bro. But seriously, you guys are not ready for this. I'm about to show you the exact image engine generator I programmed into ChatGPT that creates these mind-blowing styles. I mean, I could charge for this, but nope, I'm giving it to you for free. Yep, you heard that right. Take a look at these samples I've generated. I mean, any image style you can imagine, bam, just type it into your programmed model. It's absolutely insane that I'm giving this away, right? Like, GPT with my animated engine is next level crazy, and all I'm asking for, a simple like. Come on, that's a steal. So hit that like button and get ready for your minds to be blown. Alright guys, let me break this down for you. It's ridiculously simple to create these jaw-dropping images. Seriously, just follow my steps. So here's how I program my very own GPT model. I use this secret image engine art generator master prompt, and guess what? I've placed the Google Doc with all the details in the description, along with a fully detailed step-by-step guide. Oh, and by the way, nobody else has this exact animator that I'm about to give away. Yup, it's all yours. Now, this master engine is the powerhouse behind everything. Once you open up the doc, you'll see the magic unfold. Inside the master animator article, you'll find a whole treasure chest of prompts, both automated and manual. If you want to let your imagination run wild, dive into the manual version. It's all there for you to explore. But if you're like me and prefer the easy route, just stick with the automated version and let the magic happen. But you may say, it looks complicated. No guys, you don't need to read everything to use this. It's just a set of instructions for ChatGPT to study. I will show you how it works in a bit. Just stick with me, just in case you choose to do it the manual way. These sections will teach you how to use it to get any image in any situation of any style, guys. The way how I designed this was so that I could generate a fully customizable image of a vibrant theme to which I can add any color, skin tone, animals, or weather condition in a manual setting. But because it took like an hour to do it the manual way, I just went ahead and made it to be automated. Whether you want to tweak these settings and test them or choose to use them as is, very simple and easy, guys. Alright guys, let's get into this. It's time to train your own GPT model. This is gonna blow your mind. First things first, hit Ctrl+A to copy all the instructions, then head over to GPT and paste it in, and boom! Your master prompt is already designed and ready to program your GPT model. Just name it so you can use it whenever you want. Easy, right? And trust me, it only gets crazier from here. Now, here's the juicy part. I'm gonna teach you how to sell these images on Instagram using a free gatekeeping website. Yep, free. But first, let's test this bad boy out. Watch closely, guys. Type prompts only, no images. And let's go with something like a house in a forest. And wait for a second. Boom! Just like that. Look at that magic happening. I told you I'm the face behind this whole thing. Insane, right? And I'm giving it all away for free. Let's do another one because I'm feeling wild. A woman holding a cat while sitting in a blue field surrounded by flowers. GPT will use the prompt module in the automated order. Boom! There it is again. Woohoo! This is just too good. Beat me if you can, guys. Okay, one more before we take it up a notch. Let's type a blue sky with birds and sunlight. If you check the module, you will see different themes for daylight included where you can experiment with guys, and boom! Again! It's like magic. Seriously. You will never find another YouTube tutorial this accurate, I guarantee it. Anything you can imagine, it's right here. Let's try something even crazier. A dark, rainy forest with a beautiful blue pond and a goose standing beside it. This will make your programmed GPT use the built-in weather feature that I had included so you don't have to. And boom! Once again! Guys, you totally owe me a like and subscribe after this, but wait, we're not done. Next, I'm going to show you how to animate these. Stay tuned because it's about to get even more epic. Alright guys, it's time to take things to the next level. Buckle up because we're about to animate these images with Immersity AI and blow your minds. First, let's head over to Immersity, sign up for a new account. Super easy, right? Once you're in, get ready to be amazed by the insane features. Seriously, everyone on Instagram is using this to go viral, and now it's your turn. Alright, check this out. Drag and drop your image in there like a boss. Now, over on... Boom! You've got the animated feature and settings that are going to turn your images into something epic. I'm going to walk you through every single option, but hey, feel free to tweak it however you want. Or if you're feeling lazy, just leave it as is and watch the magic happen. Once you're done, hit download and grab that MP4 version. Now, I know what you're thinking. What about the Immersity AI watermarks? No worries, I've got you. In a bit, I'll show you exactly how to get rid of those tiny, ugly watermarks like a pro. All right, guys, if you run out of tokens, don't even worry about it. Just grab some temp mail, create a fresh account, and boom, you're back in action like nothing happened. Or if you're feeling chill, just go for the cheap version and keep it simple. Easy peasy. Now, after you've animated your masterpiece and you're hyped, stay tuned because it's time to tackle those watermarks and make your animations look absolutely flawless. Let's go, baby. All right, time to remove those watermarks. Here's how I do it. Let's head over to vmake.ai and sign up for free. vmake AI gives you 1 credit to download in HD, but no worries if you want regular quality. It's totally free. And guess what? You can enhance it for free with tensorpix.ai. Now here's the real trick, guys. I use both TensorPix and vmake AI to get 4 HD quality videos per day to post on Instagram. Yes, 4. Super simple, super easy. This is what TensorPix AI looks like. Just drag and drop your lower quality video, select the 200% option, and boom, scroll down, hit enhance, and let the magic happen. With these 2 tools, I'm cranking out 4 HD quality videos a day, and that's what matters. You'll be posting like a pro in no time, and once you start getting traction on your theme page, oh, it's on, I'll show you the next step. We'll be adding some soft background music using online CapCut to make your videos pop even more. Trust me, it's gonna be legendary. All right, guys. I know, I chat a lot, but I promise we're almost there. So let's wrap this up with the final touch. You want to use a super popular sound to make your video pop, right? Well, check this out. There's this account called Naturaeon that's using this gorgeous background music. All you gotta do is grab an Instagram music downloader, snag that sound, and then slap it onto your video in CapCut. Bam! Now your download is ready to go. Oh my gosh, guys, we actually made it. But wait, before you hit post, you're gonna want to copy some trending hashtags to give your video that extra boost. Now, for the tip of the day, drumroll please, how to make money with this masterpiece using the ultimate gatekeeping website you've all been waiting for. Introducing Buy Me a Coffee. Yes! One of the best free platforms to post your work without any monthly fees. Can you believe it? Because I couldn't at first, but it's true. Signing up is a breeze. Just choose the same name you use on Instagram, pop in your personal email, and after that, it'll ask for a description of your artwork, a profile photo, could be your art or even a selfie, no big deal. Then go back to Instagram, copy your profile link, and paste it in. Easy, right? Next, it'll ask you to set up your payment method so you can start raking in those earnings, whether it's through Stripe or whatever works best for you. Once you're registered, you'll land on your dashboard. And here's the hot spot, the digital products tab. This is where you can sell anything from ebooks to exclusive art. Feel free to explore the other options because, trust me, this is where passive income becomes your best friend. All right, guys, if you want to dive deeper, check out the video my brother just posted. Thanks for watching, and as always, bye. 2 thumbs up.